Right, you've just reinstalled Windows and you find that you cannot launch Geekbench 5. When you do, you find that basically it comes up with either nothing at all or a little window saying do you want to proceed, and you get bugger all. So what you've got to do is you've got to go to the NVIDIA drivers, choose your system, then click download driver, and it will take you down to a new section which is for the GeForce Experience. So what you do is you download the GeForce Experience, then you go to your folder and you start that program. That will take you to the thing where it checks out to make sure that it's the correct, you've got the correct cards and it does support it and everything else. And then it will come to a very important section. And this important bit is basically you want the custom advanced. And the reason for this is it gives you the option of doing a completely clean install because Windows has put in the wrong drivers. And that is what's causing your problems with launching Geekbench 5. So you let it all do its launch up and what have you. Right, and once it's all done, click done. And there's no need to restart your machine. Click Geekbench 5. Up it comes. Up comes the screen. Run your benchmark. Hallelujah. It's bloody done.